Welcome to this video. So we are going to look at calculus, basically a question which came in 2025 GCE. So how can you solve a question on calculus? I'm going to show you tricks and tips which you need to know before attempting this question. So before I start, be sure to subscribe, comment and share the videos to your friends who may be finding it difficult in calculus. So to begin, you need to understand first the question. What are they asking us to calculate? So if you can see, the question is saying find the integral of 3x to the power 3 plus 4x dx. So this symbol means integrate. So whenever you see this symbol in front of something, it means what? Integrate. So what does it mean to integrate? So when you are integrating an equation, basically we use a formula which is known as the power rule. So how does the power rule works? So the power rule works in a sense that if you have a x to the power n, this is our expression. So a represents what? The number. Then x represents x. Then this n represents the power. So a, it is the number. Then x, it is just x, or a variable. X is x. Then n represents the what? The power. So these are the three things which you need to know before I show you the formula which you are going to use to solve this question on integration. So this is the expression which you will see on questions about calculus. So the first thing you need to know is the formula, of course. So the formula we use when we are integrating an equation is a x to the power n plus 1. Then you pick this power and divide it. So n plus 1. So meaning whatever the power is also should be divided under. So now that you know the formula to use, we are going to solve this question so that you can understand what I mean. So we say that a is what? The number. So you say 3, then you say x, then you say 3 plus what? Plus 1. Again, down there say 3 plus 1. Then you say plus. Again, you go to this one. So the number is what? 4. Then you have x. So since x has no power, meaning it has a power of 1. So if anything has a power of 1, we don't write the 1, or we don't indicate the 1. So but during integration you have to indicate it because you are adding the powers. So you say 1 plus 1 over 1 plus 1. Then here you say plus c. So c means the constant of integration. So what do we mean when we say a constant of integration? So when you are integrating, there is a number which is what? Replaced by 0. So that number which is replaced by 0 when we are differentiating, here we are replacing it with what? C. So always when you are integrating, always, I'm repeating, always at the end put C. So now that we have reached this stage, so now you can add the power. So you have 3x, to the power 4 divided by 4 plus 4x to the power 2 divided by 2 plus c. Yeah, so when you reach here, you know that 2 can go into 4. So now you can divide. So 2 into 2, it's 1. 2 into 4, it's 2. So our final answer will be 3x to the power 4 divided by 4 plus 2x to the power 2 plus c. So this is how simple questions on integration comes. So integration is the simplest, and also differentiation when you are looking at calculus. So be sure to subscribe and follow for daily math questions like this. Yeah, and for tuitions, feel free to inbox 0967 94 14 01. So for those that may be interested in tuitions, be sure to WhatsApp me. I do both GC and intern.